Hello, this is a video to show how to make a star 3D model in Blender. This is the final model that we will make in this video. Let's start with the default scene. I delete the default object first, and then we can add the cylinder. I will use this cylinder to make a star and reduce the vertex of the cylinder to 10. And then we can go to Edit Mode and select the top face, delete the top face and bottom face. And then we can switch to X-ray mode, go to top view and select the vertex. And scale it down in XY plane. I will use 0.55 in scale. We can see that this is the star shape. And then we can add the number of cuts to 2. And I select the top vertex and merge together to the center. Select the bottom vertex again and merge to the center. And select all the vertex and scale it down in Z direction. I will choose 0.5 in scale. So this is a star shape. We can go to object mode to show the wireframe here and add a modifier, Bevel. We can adjust the bevel here to make it sharp in the edge and add the segment to 2, and we can choose none in the limit method. Also, we can add a subdivision to make it look smooth. Also, go to Object and select the Shade Smooth to make it smooth. This is showing how we can make 3D star in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Artist B. See you in the next video. Bye bye.